Engineering Sketching, Drawing and Sectioning by Fusion 316. This course is an opportunity for the student to learn, exercise how to sketch, 3D and draw, and make cross section. We are going to see 4 pieces with different geometries. Today, the engineer should know the language of graphics and develop the 3D imagination, especially when it comes to design or model mechanical pieces. This course is a tutorial for engineer to sketch and draw. The purpose of these lectures is to give you the basics of 3D sketch and drawing using Fusion 316. We are going to sketch 2D geometries using lines, circles, constraints, etc. Also, we are going to see how to create 3D solid parts. We are going to use many solid features like extrusion, cutting, revolution. Also, we are going to draw and make section.